Are you tired of letting bad habits hold you back? Today, we're going to explore how to break free from bad habits and start living the life you always wanted. So, let's understand bad habits. Bad habits are automatic behaviors that no longer serve us. They can be anything from procrastination to unhealthy eating. Understanding why you have these habits is the first step to changing them. Here's a simple 3-step process to break bad habits. Step number 1. Identify your triggers. Figure out what triggers your bad habits. Step number 2. Replace with a better habit. Swap the bad habit with a healthier alternative. Step number 3. Create an environment for success. Remove temptations and set your environment to support your new habits. For example, if you have chocolates and candy lying around in a bowl, replace them with fresh fruits. Now here are some additional tips to help you succeed. Tip number 1. Be patient. Breaking bad habits takes time, so don't get discouraged by setbacks. Tip number 2. Track progress. Keep a journal or use an app to monitor your progress. Tip number 3. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge each small victory along the way. Now let's look at overcoming challenges while breaking bad habits. When faced with challenges, remember, don't be too hard on yourself. It's okay to slip up. Just get back on track. Find accountability. Share your goals with your friend for that extra motivation. Finally, focus on the why. Remind yourself why breaking this bad habit is important for you. Thanks for watching. Start breaking those bad habits today and unlock a better you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more self-improvement tips.